Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you.
Paragraph writing topic: Noise pollution.
But before that, like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. So our today's topic is noise pollution. Along with all of the developments that come with a modern civilization, pollution has become a major issue for us. The original comes primarily from humans who are primarily accountable for their actions whether at home or at work, which result in pollution. Noise pollution is one of the most common types of pollution. We hear what others are saying because of the sound. A pleasant sound is both appealing and beneficial to our health. Our ears are bothered by imbalanced sound. It has a number of negative effects on human health. Noise pollution is created when these disparate noises are combined. It is never ideal for anyone to be exposed to noise pollution. Noise pollution is primarily caused by human activity. Noise pollution is also caused by natural phenomena such as thunder, lightning, and tremor. Noise pollution is usually only present for a short time, and it has a significant impact on the human health and other living organisms on the planet. Noise pollution is a dangerous gift from humans to nature and to oneself. Noise pollution is caused by high amount of unwanted sound in the environment. It affects people, animals, and plants in a variety of ways. To avoid this, we must first understand the many cases of noise pollution. Result of global urbanization and industrialization is noise pollution. Noise pollution is hazardous to our health. It isn't merely an obnoxious sound for our ears. Our effectiveness is also harmed as a result of it. People are affected by noise pollution in a variety of ways. A number of these infections are both extremely painful and incurable. Their findings are really concerning. Numerous studies on noise pollution have concluded that it reduces people's productivity. It also affects concentration capability, and people become wearier in a short period of time. Noise pollution has the most pronounced negative influence on a pregnant woman. Noise pollution causes high blood pressure and deafness. It is possible for deafness to be permanent or transient. Even animals are unable to cope with noise pollution. They grow frustrated and lose control of their thoughts. Plants and trees develop at a lower rate than typical as a result of noise pollution. One of the most dangerous things to our health is noise pollution. Noise pollution, like other forms of pollution such as water, air, and soil, is dangerous. Noise pollution is caused by a variety of factors on the earth. Several of its sources originate in our households. Staying at home, we should take steps to reduce noise pollution. The first thing we should do is adjust the television and sound system's volume. A long period of high loudness sound is more harmful. Similarly, we should limit our usage of noisy appliances such as mixer, washing machines, and vacuum cleaners. We will not be able to eliminate the use of engine cars. We can in fact reduce its use. The largest cause of outdoor noise pollution is the usage of horns in cars for no reason. We should only use the horn when absolutely necessary. Our automobile should not generate a lot of sound either. Our automobile should be serviced on a regular basis. Machines with low noise levels should be used in high industries. A machine with modern technology is less likely to create unwanted noises. Furthermore, manufacturing industry should be located apart from human settlement. These factors will undoubtedly aid in the reduction of noise pollution. As I told you before, noise pollution is a dangerous gift from humans to nature and to itself. Noise pollution is caused by a high amount of unwanted sound in the environment surrounding us. It affects our people, animals, and plants in a variety of ways. and we should avoid it. First, we should understand the many causes of noise pollution. Noise pollution is a result of global urbanization and industrialization. The city gradually accumulates rush and traffic, as well as a large crowd of people, as well result of urbanization. It increases the number of vehicles and their sounds, resulting in significant noise pollution. Industrial revolution has resulted in a plethora of new inventions on the market. Every one of them is equipped with large noisy equipments. For a long time, these machines produce noise pollution. The noise pollution caused by these machinery affects a large area surrounding the companies and a large number of people. The form of military planes flying at low altitude has also contributed significantly to noise pollution in nature. Even though they cause noise pollution for a very short period of time, the harm they cause lasts much longer than it does for others. Furthermore, pollution from big vehicles such as buses, trains, trucks, and airlines has an equal negative impact on us. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Crackers are a significant source of noise pollution during celebration, parties, and various events. Loud music, the generator, and some loud machines such as vacuum cleaner or a blender are all sources of noise pollution. For the sake of our health, we must think about them and put a stop to them. It affects people of all ages, including children and the elderly and others with cardiac problems. A noise-free environment will be a wonderful setting and atmosphere in which to live for everyone. You might be thinking, what are some examples of different sources of pollution? Well, there are numerous sources of pollution that have a negative impact on our ecosystem. Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution are some of the major types of pollution, all of which contributes to greenhouse gas emission and eventually global warming. What we can do to reduce noise pollution sources? If properly monitored, noise pollution begins in our own homes. Higher loudness in the TV, vacuum cleaner, and washing machines, for example. As a result, it will be much more suitable if we just use these technologies when absolutely essential. Unnecessary car honking should be avoided. It is preferable to use sophisticated machinery for industrial uses that produce less noise. High volume sounds and firecrackers should be also regulated or prohibited during festivals or celebrations. What are some of the factors that contributes to noise pollution? Well, noise pollution can cause deafness, heart disease, excessive blood pressure, and other health problems. Is noise pollution harmful to animals? Yes, both humans and animals can be adversely affected by noise pollution. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon button. Please show your support to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.